I knew I wanted to work on some kind of mechanical. I'm really hands-on. I like to work with my hands.
Something that really attracted me was being able to get my foot in the door, being able to have an awesome career to be in John Deere.
And I kind of just found John Deere Ag program. I was looking online. I've always been a Deere guy at heart, and I went on a college visit, and it was exactly what I wanted to do.
One of the things that enticed me, especially with being an ag tech student, the free tuition, paid tools, and paid internship, because most jobs won't give you that.
Heritage Tractor has a lot of opportunities that other companies don't have, and there's a wealth of knowledge here. We have a lot of guys here who've been working on John Deere equipment and are passionate about it, and they've been working on it for a long time, and there's a real emphasis here on just teaching and learning.
Usually I help technicians around the shop, or I go with Ty on service calls. That's been really cool to do. Going and talking to farmers and fixing their equipment. That's probably one of the main reasons why I wanted to be a technician, is be put out in a truck.
This is my goal. I want to work here.